not there right now. Hey guys, welcome back to Evolving Mail. So today I've got some pistol grip handles. They're handholds to grab hold of when you're off-road. If you watched my last video, what you didn't see in the video was every time I was driving, I was hitting my head on the seatbelt thing right here. And when she was driving, I was hitting my head over there. Even worse over there, I think, because there's nothing to hold on to, really. We got these little soft ones, but they move around a lot. So I wanted something sturdy. Ordered them last night, got them here just now off Amazon. They're about $38, pretty cheap. And it really is a safety item. So the kit's going to come with two handles like that. It's going to come with 2 bolts and 2 spacers. There's a longer bolt and a longer spacer, and a shorter bolt and a shorter spacer. The shorter bolt and the shorter spacer is going in from the side. We're just going to set this down for now. And the longer bolt with a longer handle is going in to the top like that. And there is you'll notice that right there. There is this side's flat and this side's beveled. So that bevel's going to go towards the bottom, and it's going to go towards the opposite side of the vehicle. But first things first, we got to get a wrench, a socket. There's there's 2 holes here. This one is just a body panel hole that holds this piece of this piece, but the top hole holds it to the windshield channel or the frame, whatever this is. And then the top bolt does the same thing on top. So we're gonna take the bolts here and here off. They're the only 2 metal bolts. The other one's just a little plastic screw kind of thing that Jeep loves using. So we're gonna go ahead and just loosen that up. It was rather tight. And we're going to loosen that up. And drop the bolt like that. Let me see if I can get it. If you do drop it, this piece bends just like that. See that? Out. No big deal, no harm, no foul. The top bolt is right there next to the visor bracket. Do that. FedEx guy's coming, but not for me. So sad. All right, it's gonna drop that down. So now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the side bolt in there. And before we do anything, we're going to put a little bit of Loctite on here, because we don't want it coming loose while we're on the trail rattling around. Okay, you're going to take the pistol grip, you're going to put the bolt through the pistol grip like that. You're going to put the spacer right there, and you're just going to stick this back in the hole. I got a wire in here that's kind of in the way. So you know, unless you've done something to your vehicle, like modified it, you shouldn't have a problem like that. But I'm going to have a problem right here because this little wire, I've got some wires running to the to something up here, and they're in the way. So I just pulled it out just now, just so I can deal with this. I'll put it back in place here in a second. So we're going to go ahead and put this through that hole. It's made to match the threads. It's perfect. And it is a little tough finding a hole. Insert joke here, but I think I got it. We got it started. Now we're not going to tighten it up. We're going to go ahead and do the other one, which I just laid down somewhere. What the hell did I do with it? There it is. All right. So we're going to go ahead and put some Loctite on this one as well. You don't got to go crazy like that. That's crazy, but it's okay. I got it on the box. So remember, the angled piece is going to go down because the way this sits, it's kind of crooked a little bit. So this allows it to firmly hold in place. All right, so we're going to put this through the top hole. We're going to go ahead and put this piece right there, the spacer, and we're going to kind of rotate this up and kind of get it in place. That's why you don't want to tighten that thing up, the side one up, because you won't be able to rotate that around with enough slop and play. All right, so that's it. We're going to tighten these up. I had these on a vehicle a couple Jeeps ago. Or I think the last two JKs I had these. The new JLs and the Gladiators have a built-in grab handle, which I like, but at the same time I don't get to add these cool grab handles. So I was a little disappointed actually by it. I'd rather Jeep leave some things modifiable. Just so you can play with it. Okay, and the angled piece this way again towards you, and it fell into place perfectly, so we're good there. We're gonna go ahead and tighten this one up. Tight. Okay, and that's it, guys. That's everything. So nice and tight. Let me put another wrench there a little bit. It made a creak noise when I just did that. Kind of the whole Elon thing. Smash a window that's unbreakable and smash it. Okay, nice and tight. So now when you're driving and you need to hold on to something, because I was trying to hold on to here, I was trying to hold on to this and hear that noise. That squeaking was driving me mad. So I wouldn't hold on to it, and then it hit my head. I'm gonna go push this wire back in place. There you go. So now when you're driving, it's all good to go. So I'm going to take you around right after I do the other side and show you what it looks like. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so there you go. Let me take you up in here, and you can see how that looks. Nice and sturdy. And we got the same thing over there on that side. And they're in a good place because you don't hit your head on there. Sometimes they have hard ones here, and then I've had them where I hit my head. So we don't want to do that. So we got these there. Everything's good, and we're good to go. Easy job. Takes about 5-10 minutes. Takes just as long to find the tools that you need as it does to do the job. So anyway, guys, thanks for checking me out. Please hit like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Evolving Male. I really appreciate it, guys, and as always, peace out.